Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Myself Reena. Today I will teach you new topic in EVS and topic name is insects. Insects mean होते हैं कीड़े मकोड़े. Insects mean कीड़े मकोड़े like ladybird, cockroach, honeybee, spider, ant, scorpion, butterfly, mosquito, mouse, housefly, beetle. These are called इंसेक्ट्स. दीज आर कॉल्ड इंसेक्ट्स. जो कीड़े मकोड़े होते हैं उनको हम इंसेक्ट्स बोलते हैं. सो टुडे आई विल टीच यू इंसेक्ट्स. सो लेट स्टार्ट. So firstly we will mention date. So today's date is 22nd of September 2020. Then we will mention date. Today is Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Then we will mention topic. Topic is insects, 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 and draw the underline also. Then we will mention heading, write their name. आपको यहाँ पे insects related spellings write करनी है. So let's start. We will write 2 times insects name on this page. So firstly you will make 2 blocks like this. One block and this is second block. So one time I will write already and I will write second time this side. So first spelling is, firstly we will read HONEY, honey, BEE, honey bee. Honey bee mean madhumakhi. So we will write here HONEY, honey bee, double E, honey bee. Honey bee mean madhumakhi. And close bracket. Now second spelling, spider, SPIDER, spider. Spider mean makdi. So we will write here SPIDER, spider. Spider mean makdi. Okay, next butterfly, BUTTERFLY, butterfly. Butterfly mean titli. BUTTERFLY, butterfly. Butterfly mean titli. Okay, next housefly, HOUSEFLY, housefly. Housefly mean मक्खी. जो हमारे घर के अंदर मक्खियाँ घूमती है उनको हम बोलते हैं housefly. So we will write here HOUSEFLY, housefly. Housefly mean मक्खी. Okay, next mosquito, MOSQUITO, mosquito. Mosquito mean मच्छर. So we will write here MOSQUITO, mosquito. Mosquito mean मच्छर. Okay, next ant, ANT, ant. Ant mean चींटी. ANT, ant. Ant mean चींटी. Okay, next cockroach, COCKROACH, cockroach. Cockroach mean tilchatta. So we will write here COCKROACH, cockroach. Cockroach mean tilchatta. Okay, next beetle, BEE, T-L-E, beetle. Beetle mean brown. B-E-E-T-L-E, beetle. Beetle mean brown. Okay, next, scorpion. Scorpion mean bichu. S-C-O-R-P-I-O-N. Scorpion. Scorpion mean bichu. So we will write here S-C-O-R-P-I-O-N. Scorpion. Scorpion mean bichu. Okay, I hope you all are understood today's topic. Today's topic is insects. Insects mean कीड़े मकोड़े like honey bee, spider, butterfly, housefly, mosquito, ant, cockroach, beetle, scorpion. These are called insects, and you will do this assignment same like this. You will write 2 times insects name. Firstly you will make block, then you will write and learn it also. Now we will meet in our next class with a new topic. Take care. Bye bye children.